Today we're unboxing and installing this H60 RGB Elite by Corsair. This is a CPU cooler that is liquid based, or also called an AIO cooler, and this one right here is a 120mm. So the exact components that come out of this box are of course the pump and the radiator. You also have the fan that connects to the radiator and also has a cool little Corsair symbol, and you have an Intel and an AMD mounting system. Today we're going to be using the Intel. So we first started off with the backplate, as you guys can see right here. Then we're going to go ahead and move on to the pump. We're going to line it up with the standoffs that were provided by the backplate, and then go ahead and screw it in. One cool thing about this AIO cooler is the fact that it comes with thermal paste already pre-applied, so you don't have to worry about putting on any of your own on the CPU. So here we're going to start inserting the radiator as well as the fan. And then once you have all this installed, then you go ahead and move on to the motherboard wiring.